Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another episode of SF Bay Area Fish Hook. We're at the honey hole this morning, and it's a really nice morning. But not many fish jumping, but we did do okay. So stay tuned and check out what we got going here. And please like and subscribe. I only need 5 more to reach 200. And I appreciate everybody that subscribes. I appreciate anybody that's watching these boring videos. So if y'all care to join me sometime, please leave a comment. And I don't reveal the spot that I'm at, because it's not always good. Some people don't care about the environment. We want to keep the spot clean. So just thank you, and we'll see ya. Like and subscribe. Okay, guys. That's the first catch of the day. Okay, guys. First catch of the day. Little shaker. All right. We're starting to bite. Let him go. Okay, guys, here's a 25 incher. Okay, guys, got another big 25 incher here. Stand up. Yep, nice one. Fought really hard, really good. 25 inches. See how much he weighs. About 8 pounds. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let him go. Let's see how he does. There he goes. He's gone. All right. Okay, everyone, we're gonna call it a day. It was a pretty good day, as you've seen from the video. A limit of 25-inch stripers and a little shaker. It was only a few, but it was fun. Them things fought hard. Especially that last one, he fought like a bull. Man, he didn't want to come in. He was fighting for his life. But as you see, I do catch and release. I don't really like killing fish, but sometimes I will if it's for somebody that wants to eat some fish or something. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below, and always stay tuned. We'll have more videos for you. Back on the water for this fall striper fishing. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Keep watching and leave me a comment. All right, man. Tight lines. Best of luck to you. Take care of yourself. All right.